Welcome back to Slate Bytes. In this Slate Byte example, we're talking copy and paste, specifically subquery exports and subquery filters. Let's take a look at a subquery filter that we have in our query. In this case, we're trying to find people who have a gift that's been made in this particular fiscal year. You'll notice we have a join, we have a number of various filters added, and we have a subquery filter where we're comparing today's date with the gift date, both of which are shifted to the fiscal year. It's somewhat of a complicated subquery filter. Now, imagine that you want to return the sum of all these gifts that each of these folks have made in the fiscal year. Now, no need to recreate. Simply hit Control-C on your keyboard and we'll copy the entire subquery filter to the clipboard. Next, add in a subquery export, hit Control-V, and we've automatically added in the appropriate join, filters, and even the subquery filters. Now, we can simply give our subquery export a new name, in this case, sum of fiscal year giving. And we can go ahead and change our output to aggregate, sum, and now select the gift amount. We'll go ahead, add a format mask, and click Save. It's that easy. Preview the results, and we can now see the sum of everybody's fiscal year giving. What's more, this copy and paste functionality works across queries as well. So say you have a new query that you want to take that same filter to. You can simply navigate to that new query, click to add the subquery filter, hit Control-V again, and all of your joins, filters, subquery filters have all been added. So then simply give your filter a name and go ahead and click Save. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. See you next time.